Matthew Brady, Caltrans District 1 Director. Today we're out here south end of Eureka at the Herrick Avenue interchange to pick up trash. And boy, there was a lot of trash. We spent most of the afternoon today out here with Scott Hammond and his associates from State Farm Insurance. After the pandemic, we've seen a lot of disposable masks out here that we had to clean up, a lot of coffee cups, the disposable type. I've seen a lot of fast food type of items, wrappings, cartons, etc. Stuff that people can easily dispose of by just throwing it out their cars, and that's not the way to dispose of it. So what the governor has done, he is proposing the Clean California initiative, which will go to not only litter pickup, but beautification as well. California is quite simply litter too much, and whether it's not tarping loads or throwing things out of their cars, what have you, it is just accumulating in our state right away, Caltrans right away, and it's just very frustrating to have to see this day in and day out. And the governor is frustrated, I'm frustrated, we're all frustrated as we drive along. We're fortunate here in Humboldt County that we don't have the volumes that they do in the metropolitan areas, but it's still a problem. And with that beautiful bay right next to me, to see this trash end up in that location is just unacceptable.
My name is Tom Fitzgerald, and I'm the Deputy District Director for Maintenance and Operations for District 1 Caltrans. Clean California is an initiative being proposed by the governor to clean California. There's 4 components to it: education, engagement, enhancing infrastructure, and then finally expanding litter cleanup. And when I say finally, that's due. The other 3 are to avoid this. Today we were out here with an Adopt a Highway crew to clean up this highway, and finding just litter everywhere. All those other 3 aspects of Clean California are really to avoid this. So we're not putting our workers out there next to 60 mile an hour and faster traffic to pick up litter that's been thrown or carelessly transported along our routes and end up on the side of the road. So litter in California along our routes has been a big problem for a long time. And to the extent that our crews are currently out every first and third Thursday of the month to just deal with litter. Clean California is going to expand on that cleanup effort, but hopefully the real goal of Clean California is to avoid that happening in the first place.